In 1890, Jose Rizal returned to the Madrid, Spain, hoping to continue his advocacy for reform in the Philippines. But instead of success and comfort, he faced one of the most difficult periods of his life. While in Madrid, Rizal experienced serious financial problems. His allowance from home was delayed due to conflicts in Calamba, where his family was involved in a land dispute with Spanish peers. He struggled to pay for food, rent, and even basic necessities at times. Rizal skipped meals just to survive. At the same time, his family in Calamba was suffering. The Spanish authority unfairly forced them out of their land. Rizal was deeply worried and angered by the injustice. Being far from home made him feel helpless as he could not protect his loved ones. Rizal also faced disappointment in his reform movement. The campaign for reforms in Spain was losing strength. Members of the propaganda movement began to disagree with one another. Conflicts and lack of unity weakened their cause. One of Rizal's biggest struggles was his conflict with Marcelo H. del Pilar. They disagreed on leadership and direction of the reform movement, especially over the newspaper La Solidaridad. This conflict created tension among Filipino reformers in Spain. Because of stress and lack of proper nutrition, Rizal became weak. He felt lonely and isolated in foreign land. Despite everything, he continued writing and fighting for his country. Even in the face of hardship, Rizal did not give up. During this difficult time, he worked on his second novel, El Filibusterismo. This novel reflected the darker realities of colonial rule and his growing frustration with injustice. Rizal's misfortunes in Madrid show his strength and resilience. Despite hunger, conflict, and sadness, he remained committed to his mission. His sacrifice reminds us that true heroism is not only found in victory, but also in enduring hardship for the good of others.